joining me for the virtual hedge fund weekend wrap up. This is the last day of the week. It's the most important day of the week because weekly charts, when you're investing, are more important than daily charts, right? So intraday for day trading, daily stops, daily buy triggers for swing trading, weekly stops, weekly buy triggers when you're investing. So end of day today, 3:30, always a big day because at the end of the day, we go through all of our investing ideas and we look for our weekly stops and we say, hey, are we being stopped out or are we good to go into the weekend with these positions? So we'll talk about that. Let's go over some of the things in the portfolio. We're kind of just tweaking around the edges. Right now, we're just managing success. This is day 26 of the Armor Swing strategy for the S&P, where we're long SPXL, triple the S&P. Day 26. I'm going to explain what that means in a minute. Risk monitor green since September 12th. One of the strongest runs we've seen for the year, which is saying a lot because 2024 has been a big year. So let's go over that. And then the last question is today the day? We've been on precious metals for a while. We're hunting that explosive day. We're patient. Our investments are really performing well this year. I have a little gift for you that I added to Armor Off the Record at the end of the day yesterday, or maybe during the day yesterday. And I'm going to share it with you. It's a micro cap, and I never talk about micro caps. So we'll do that in a minute. But before we get to all that, don't forget virtual hedge fund desk. It means you and I are working together, managing a portfolio. We each have tranches of capital. Your portfolio is your tranche of capital inside of this virtual hedge fund. So you have to figure out what your risk tolerance is, your goal, what you're trying to do with that portfolio, and then structure your portfolio based on all of that part of your strategy. And at the end of the day, you have to be the smart money. So those are my top shelf names on my whiteboard to watch. I would be remiss if I didn't end this discussion with the quad chart of precious metals, because at the moment, major caveat here, I can't stand gap ups in metals. Okay. Gap ups in the metals notoriously reverse. So I almost don't want to talk about it, but it's the end of the week, and so it's worth chatting about. Silver, Sprott Physical, trading up here around 11. That would be a breakout, and specifically on the weekly level. If it can close up there, that'd be enormous. That high is 1109, that pivot top. If we could close the week above 1109 on a weekly close for silver, Katie, bar the proverbial door. So right now, silver's up 1 3/4%. Gold's up another 0.5%. Our positions on Nugget's up about 2.5%. Silver stocks up about 3% to start the morning. These are all going to blow out to start the morning. We need to end the morning there. But I wanted to end this discussion, and we need to end the day there. And I wanted to end this morning discussion with the highlighted stock of the day. I'll do it here. The highlighted stock of the day. Okay. Now you guys know me. Okay. I don't trade micro caps. I don't get involved in micro caps. I don't like to use this platform to talk about micro cap. Okay. But we have been stalking Discovery Silver for a long time. And I added Discovery Silver yesterday to the portfolio because it's, to me, now or never on that stock. If silver's breaking out, and silver stocks as a group are breaking out, then my micro cap silver play is going to be Discovery Silver. This is the downtrend. This is the long-term downtrend. Now we're going to zoom in on Discovery. There's the clear double bottom. The reason I like this is the chart pattern. This is like one of my favorite chart patterns. You've seen me, and you and I have done it together. You've seen us. We've done it together. Buy chart patterns like this in the Armor Invest portfolio, in the Armor Special portfolio, and make a lot of money in the last 12, 24 months. This is our bread and butter chart pattern. Long-term downtrend, double bottom, breaks the downtrend, takes off. If silver takes off, this stock could get fun. So I'm long Discovery Silver. Full disclosure, I'm long under 70 cents. Trading right now at 72 cents. I mean, okay, whatever, somewhere around here. Not liquid, micro cap, dangerous. The stop strategies that we use on a micro cap, you can throw out the window. Okay, so be very careful what you do there if you're going to play. I thought I'd just add this idea for you. Every now and then I'll do it. In an idea, we've really done the research. The whole group is moving. So there it is. I look forward to working with all of you on the desk. 9:30, Armor Insiders will get started. Armor Report subscribers, you know the drill. Anybody has a question, you want to chat with me one-on-one, you want a little more detail, happy to do that for you. That's why I do this, because I enjoy working with you guys. I like sharing the information that I'm building, I like sharing the experience I've got over 30 plus years doing this. And I love hearing what you guys are doing. You guys bring a lot of great ideas to the table. So don't hesitate. 561-575-6832. I'm happy to chat. Everybody, at the end of the day, figure out your risk tolerance, goals, and all those types of things and be the smart one.